Hi, I'm going to be making the scallop with broccoli today. I have about 8 ounce scallop and about 6 ounce broccoli, 3 slices of ginger, 2 ounce of red pepper, 1 ounce of onion, and also I have 1 tablespoon cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of water. Then I mix. Okay, I'm going to set it on the side. For the sauce, I use 1/4 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. And I put all this oyster sauce in it and sugar. So I mix. And also I have 1 tablespoon of chili bean sauce. The bottle looks like this. And about 1 teaspoon of cooking wine. So I put all the sauce in here, the chili bean sauce, and I add 1 teaspoon of cooking wine in it. So I mix so they are not that thick. Looks good. So I'm going to set it on the side. I'm going to cook the broccoli first. I put a little bit oil in it. Then I cook the broccoli for a minute. Okay, just leave it first. And for the seasoning of the scallop, I put a pinch of salt in it and some white pepper. Then I put some 1 tablespoon of cornstarch in it. Then I mix well. Okay, I'm going to set it on the side. Then I'm going to remove the broccoli. It depends how tender you like the broccoli, but I like the crispy, so I'm going to remove it. I'm going to turn off the heat first. Then I'm going to cook the scallop. The wok is hot right now, so I'll put some oil in it. You turn it over. When you see the brown a little bit, then you turn it over. Another side. Okay, some of them they look good, so I'll remove it. Okay, I'm going to clean out the wok a little bit. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit oil in it. Then I stir fry the ginger first. Then I put onion in it. Then I put a red pepper in it. Then I put the chili sauce in it. Then I put all the broccoli in it. I'm going to put all the scallop in it. And I put all the sauce in it. Then I use cornstarch with water. Okay, that looks good. I'm going to turn off the heat. Okay, Dex, I make today the scallop with broccoli.